Hey guys, what's up? So today is 26th of August and the stocks which we are going to analyze are Tata Motor, DVR, and the second one is Wellspun India. So those of you who don't know me or are visiting my channel for the first time, let me tell you that I share my analysis on swing trading on naked charts. Basically, I don't use any type of indicators. I only use the volume indicator, that's it. And my favorite tool is Fibo tool. So I do quite simple analysis and I bring to you the trading setups which I am waiting for and which I see as potential good swing trades. So let's get into the analysis. So this is the chart of Tata Motor DVR on the daily time frame, and we can see that the stock is in a good uptrend, and here it has retraced a bit. So to check whether this is a healthy retracement or no, we use the Fibo tool. So we connect the Fibo tool from the last swing to the highest point, and here we can see that exactly at the 0.382 levels, Tata Motor DVR has taken support and now it is trying to move up. I have mentioned in many of my videos that 0.382 levels and 0.5 levels are considered as healthy retracement levels. So that's a good thing. That's a good confirmation. And if we talk about the pattern which Tata Motor DVR has formed is a falling wedge pattern. Again, this is a bullish setup, bullish pattern, and here we can see that it has formed a falling wedge pattern. If I draw a trend line like this and a second trend line like this, so basically this is on the daily time frame and the stock has formed a falling wedge pattern. Here the breakout is still to come, but I think as the range is getting smaller and smaller, we can soon see a break out at this level in Tata Motor DVR. We don't have to enter just yet. We have to wait for the breakout. Then when the stock comes down to this trend line to retest it, that is the time we are going to enter in this stock. One more thing why I think this can be a good trade is Tata Motor DVR has been accumulating for quite some days. If we see the number of days this falling wedge pattern is in the formation, it's approximately 106 days. So the breakout of the same, if there's a breakout with good volume, we can see a good up move. Also, if we talk about the RR ratio, we can get a good RR ratio as we can expect a target around this level, and that's around 160 levels. And if it breaks 160 levels as well, we can see the all-time high that's around 170 levels. So this was my analysis on Tata Motor DVR. And one more thing guys, that if we just see over here, the pattern which Tata Motor DVR had formed is a symmetrical triangle, and here it gave a breakout but did not come to retest this trend line and continued moving up. So guys, in this case, even though we were waiting for the symmetrical triangle to give us the breakout, it did not retest, and that's the reason we will not be entering in this stock if there is no retest. So we have to wait for the retest. Why? If you ask me why we have to wait for the retest, guys, if we wait for the retest, we get a good RR ratio because our stop losses become small and the target which we are targeting for becomes quite huge. So we get a good RR ratio, and that's the reason we wait for the stock to retest the trend lines. And the other stock which we were analyzing is Wellspun India. So if I show you the chart of Wellspun India, again this is the daily time frame of Wellspun India, and here we can see that the stock is in a good uptrend. Here it has showed a massive move in one stretch and now it has retraced a bit. So to check whether this is a healthy retracement or no, we use the Fibo tool. This was the last swing to the highest point if we connect, we can see that the stock has taken support at exactly 0.5 levels of the Fibo tool, and that's a great support level, retracement level for any stock which is in a good uptrend. And if we talk about the pattern which Welspun India has been forming, we have to come on the early time frame, and what we can see here is the stock has formed a bullish flag pattern. So if I draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this and a pole like this is a perfect setup of a bullish flag pattern, and the probability of this stock giving a breakout is quite high. And now if you ask me that why am I suggesting you this stock now, is it is at the breakout level, and I think the breakout, we can see a breakout soon at this levels, because if you notice guys, this was the resistance line. Whenever the stock came here, it suddenly came down. Okay, whenever see, this is such a bullish candle, but the next candle became red and the stock fell. Here again same thing happened, it went up, again came down in just 2 to 3 candles. But here if you notice guys, the stock is accumulating, so there's a high chance that the stock can give us a breakout here as well. We had analyzed Naukri like 5 to 6 days ago. I'll leave the link of Naukri in my I button so you can check. So this was the setup. I'll show you the setup, and I'll also show you how we analyzed the stock and how it gave a breakout. You can see the full analysis of Naukri in the I button. So the stock was somewhere here when we analyzed it, and I had mentioned you that whenever the stock comes here, it again comes down suddenly, but here it was accumulating and there was a high probability that the stock will give us a breakout. Here it gave a breakout, and now we are waiting for this stock to retest this level. I have not yet entered this stock. I will enter at the retest level, and if the stock goes up from here, I will ignore the stock. So guys, this was it. This was my analysis of two of the good setups which I am waiting for, and I hope you have learned something from this video. I know guys, the videos are not coming as frequently as they were used to, but guys, I have to inform you one thing, that something new is coming on this channel, and you will be coming to know about the good news in a few days or few weeks maybe. So please wait for it and bear with me guys. I am uploading videos as and when possible for me, so keep supporting guys. Thank you so much for watching, and like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video guys. Thank you so much.